Hey, this is Chuck Joss with Valley RV Supercenter. This is another great unit to take a look at. This is the 2025 Jayco Eagle 29 DDB bunkhouse, suite floor plan. Nice big storage area underneath. There you see the platform for the Halo griddle that's up inside. Huge outdoor griddle. You do have the outside refrigerator over here, so they don't have to go inside and trudge all the way through getting mud in your coach to get a drink. You got them right here. Huge awning on the outside. Great looking graphics. Let's go inside and take a look. This floor plan will blow you away. You got the nice theater seats here. Massive U-shaped dinette. Nice big refrigerator. And then you got the bunks in the back. Those bunks will hold 600 pounds apiece. Totally cushioned, so the kids are going to be just as comfortable as the adults. Coming over to the kitchen, you have your glass washer where you just like a bar where you put your glass on top, it shoots water and cleans it. Nice single sink. We've heard a lot of people say they like the single sink for a little more room to wash dishes in that. Massive countertop. The oven with glass display so you can see where you're cooking. TV set in the perfect location. This has the Whisper quiet air conditioner up on top, so it's going to be a super quiet air conditioning. Coming up front here, got a nice bathroom with a big shower. And then as you come up here in the bedroom area, you have a true queen bed, some shirt closets on the side, and a nice deep closet here if you want to put a washer dryer in. It will accommodate the all-in-one units. So as you can see, this is going to be one of our top units this year. Bunks, queen bed, beautiful kitchen, all in one. Stop by and check it out here at Valley RV Supercenter in Kent.